Hi parents, I just want to go over how to find your students' grades in Powerschool. So there's two places you can go to get that information. It is right here on Powerschool portal. You can either get that from the Rancho Cordova Elementary homepage right here or the district's homepage, which is right here. And on that same page, it still looks the same. So you'll click on that box and it'll take you to the student and parent sign-in page. While you're on here, you can go ahead and type in your username and password. If you have a student, obviously, then they also have a student username and password. It takes them to the exact same place. So if you forgot your username and password, you can have your kid log in and they can show you their grades because your student has a username and password to the system as well. It is their standard username, standard password. So you'll click sign in. So you'll select sign in, and right behind this gray box here, you'll see your student's username and their student ID yeah, their student ID and their username. Right over here in these boxes, let me move my camera over, you will see that your child's current grades. These are all clickable, so you can select one and it will bring up your child's scores on all of their assignments. You can also see if they're missing any assignments or if it's incomplete, and you can go back and double check that. Also on this page, you can set up your email notifications. So on this side column right over here, if you click email notification, you can select what information you would like to have emailed to you at home, and that's your decision. So I usually always like to have a summary of the current grades and attendance so that way I can see what my child's grades are every single day. And it does get a little bit annoying because it will email me every single grade that shows up. I can set it for daily right here. I can set it for weekly. I can set it for every 2 weeks or once a month. So I personally, because of the whole pandemic thing, I like to see what's going on with my kids. So I have it set for daily. So and then you would just click submit and it will automatically send you that information every week. So that is it. If you have any questions, then please let me know. Otherwise, thanks so much. All right, bye.